Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into the PSN account that owns Fortnite. This prevents license conflicts. Once signed in, power down the PS4 completely, do not rest mode, then unplug it for 60 seconds to clear cache and network state. Make sure the console firmware is up to date and you have at least 10% free storage because the update needs space. These steps reset transient errors and prepare the system for deeper fixes. Now move to the process that forces the update to refresh. You restart into safe mode by holding the power button for 7 seconds, then select Rebuild Database. This reorganizes files and often resolves checking for update hangs. Once the console restarts, remove the Fortnite application, choose Delete Application, not Saved Data, to remove corrupted update segments. Then go to Settings Account Management Restore Licenses to ensure ownership is recognized. Make sure your Epic account link remains intact. These actions force the system to fetch a clean update manifest. You now download Fortnite again from your library and let it install fully before launching. This pulls a fresh update package. If the console still shows checking for update, change the network DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8. 8 to bypass DNS caching issues, then power cycle once more. If problems persist, rebuild the database again and reinstall. The one key troubleshooting tip is to always preserve saved data off console, so you can safely repeat reinstall.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.